With Parcel Tracker, you can quickly log incoming parcels and automatically notify recipients. Recipients can be tenants, students, residents, and others. For Parcel Tracker to detect the recipient, they need to be in the database. There are 3 ways to log in parcels: the 2-step scan mode, the 1-step scan mode, and manual entry. Let's start with the default scan mode. From the In tab, select Scan Parcels. First, make sure the recipient's name is in full view of the camera. Press and hold the button to pick up the name. Next, press and hold again to pick up the barcode to uniquely identify the parcel. You can do this for multiple parcels in a row. If you want to add additional parcel details, press the Page button on the lower left corner. You'll be able to add tags, assign storage locations, and get an additional photo of the parcel. Or you can simply continue scanning. When you're done, press Next to see an overview. If there has been a mistake, you can press the Page icon to add or edit parcel details, or swipe left on the log to delete it. When you're done, press Check In. This will notify recipients of their parcel's arrival. You can also run a single scan of both the name and the barcode. To enable this, go to Settings and under Scanning Configuration, press Select Scan Mode and choose Single Scan Mode. Now, when scanning, make sure you have the name and barcode in full view of the camera. Rest assured that even if there is no barcode, the scan still works, but you'll need to enter or create a manual barcode. More on manual entry in the next section. Lastly, let's look at manual entry. You can enter the name and the barcode manually. This is useful if, for example, the sender has written the wrong name on the label, or the barcode is covered in stickers, or if the parcel does not have a barcode. Press Scan Parcels. Press Search Recipient. Here, you can enter the name of the recipient or their location, such as a room number. After finding the recipient, you can enter a manual barcode or get a randomly generated one. We recommend you mark the barcode on the parcel. Press the little blue button to create the parcel. Now you know how to scan parcels using Parcel Tracker. Happy scanning!